If you're working with fractions in your Delta Math and fractions are just getting you really annoyed and they're not working the way that you want them to, you can go ahead and click under Classwork and Remote Learning Resources. There's this wonderful program called Calculator on Desmos. Go ahead and click the Scientific Calculator, and then you'll notice there's literally a fraction button. So if you want to do like 1/4, 1/4 times 8, for example, it'll show it right there. If you want to do 1/4 times 9, it'll show it right there. And then if you want to change it back into a fraction, you just click this fraction button again. So don't let this part trip you up from doing the assignment. You can use the calculator on Desmos to do so. And if you're working off a phone, this is a free app in the App Store. Go ahead and search Desmos in the App Store, and the scientific calculator should be able to come up. Let me know if you have any other questions.